Hello, how are you?
Good.
I'm glad to hear that. Are you ready to get started with testing?
Sure.
Good. Now let's get started. The goal of neuropsychological assessment is to determine if any changes have occurred in your attention, memory, language, problem solving, or other cognitive functions. A neuropsychological assessment may point to changes in brain function and suggest possible methods and treatments for rehabilitation. In addition to an interview, where we will be asking you questions about your background and current medical symptoms, we may be using different techniques and standardized tests, including but not limited to asking questions about your knowledge of certain topics, reading, drawing figures and shapes, listening to recorded audio, viewing printed material, and manipulating objects. Do you understand? Or would you like for me to run through the purpose of the testing again?
Yes.
For some individuals, assessments can cause fatigue, frustration, and anxiousness. Do you understand? Or would you like for me to run through the possible discomforts again?
I understand.
Let me tell you a little bit about what to expect during this test session. I'm going to give you a set of tests to complete. These tests will tell us about your ability to concentrate or remember information. I will warn you in advance that some of the tests may seem easy while others may seem very difficult. If you feel that you are doing poorly on any test, don't get frustrated. Some of these tests are intentionally designed to test your limits. Also, it is not unusual for someone to perform quite well on some tests and not to perform as well on others. Everybody has strengths and weaknesses. All we ask is that you try to do the best you can on each test. Before we begin, do you have any questions? Do you understand, or would you like for me to run through the description again?
I understand.
You will be seeing patches of color. I'd like you to say the colors as quickly as you can without making mistakes. Ready? Begin.
Red. Blue. Green.
All right. Now you will be seeing words. I'd like you to read the words aloud as quickly as you can without making mistakes. Ready? Begin.
Green.
Say the word.
Red. Blue. Green.
All right. Now it's going to be a little harder. This time, I'd like you to name the color of the word and not read the word. Say the colors as quickly as you can without making mistakes. Ready? Begin.
Red.
Say the color.
Green. Red. Green.
Keep going.
Blue.
Great job. This time, I'd like you to do the same thing you just did. Name the color of the word and not read the word. But if a word is inside a little box, then I'd like you to read the word and not name the color of the word. Say the colors or words as quickly as you can without making mistakes. Ready? Begin.
Red. Blue. Green.
Great job. I'm going to read a list of words to you. Listen carefully, because when I'm through, I want you to tell me as many of the words as you can. You can say them in any order, just say as many of them as you can. Are you ready? Truck, spinach, giraffe, bookcase, onion, motorcycle, cabinet, zebra, subway, lamp, celery, cow, desk, boat, squirrel, cabbage.
Cow, cabbage, squirrel, boat, celery, onion, truck, motorcycle,
Anything else?
desk, lamp, bookcase, squirrel, onion, cabbage, cow.
Anything else? That's all for now.